In today's video, I'll show you how to create documentary voiceovers with ElevenLabs so you can turn your scripts into cinematic, professional narration. If you're new to documentary voiceovers, the goal is to create a voice that feels calm, authoritative, and engaging, helping the audience stay focused on the story from beginning to end. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech section or projects workspace. This is where you'll build your documentary narration. Next, prepare your script in advance. Documentaries work best when the story is structured clearly, so break your content into sections like introduction, main points, and conclusion. Now choose a voice that fits a documentary style. A deep, steady, and confident voice usually works best for this type of narration. Once you've selected your voice, paste your script into the editor. Use well-structured sentences and natural pauses to help the AI deliver a smooth and cinematic flow. Before generating the audio, carefully review your script for clarity and accuracy. Documentary narration should feel polished and easy to follow. Now click Generate and let ElevenLabs convert your text into a professional voiceover. After the audio is ready, listen closely to the pacing and tone. If certain parts feel too fast or too flat, adjust punctuation or try a different voice for better impact. Once you're satisfied with the result, download the audio and use it in your documentary videos, YouTube content, or storytelling projects. For a more cinematic feel, maintain consistent voice style and pacing across all sections of your documentary. And that's how you create documentary voiceovers with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.